Ready to take your ride to the next level? Today, we're diving deep into 15 game-changing gadgets every biker needs. From smart helmets to life-saving gear, these picks will transform how you ride. Whether you're a daily commuter or an adventure seeker, there's something here for you. Let's hit the road and explore these must-have upgrades. Number 1. EyeLights Moto Head-Up Display. The EyeLights Moto Head-Up Display is a futuristic gadget that projects speed, navigation, and calls right onto your helmet visor. No more looking down. Stay focused and ride smarter. It's lightweight, easy to install, and compatible with most helmets. Perfect for tech-savvy riders who want to stay connected without distractions. Imagine cruising down the highway with all your vital info right in front of you. It's like having a co-pilot built into your helmet. The display is crystal clear, even in bright sunlight, and the controls are intuitive, so you can adjust settings on the go. Whether you're navigating through city traffic or exploring remote trails, this gadget keeps you informed and in control. Check it out using the link below. Number 2. CrossHelmet X1. The CrossHelmet X1 isn't just a helmet, it's a tech powerhouse. With 360-degree vision, noise cancellation, and a heads-up display, it's like having a co-pilot built into your gear. The 360-degree camera gives you a full view of your surroundings, while noise cancellation keeps the roar of the engine at bay. The heads-up display shows speed, navigation, and even incoming calls, so you never have to take your eyes off the road. It's a bit pricey, but for the tech it packs, it's worth every penny. The helmet is also lightweight and aerodynamic, making it comfortable for long rides. Ride safer, smarter, and in style. Link in the description. Number 3. Dainese Smart Jacket. The Dainese Smart Jacket is a cutting-edge innovation in rider safety, designed after more than 25 years of research and development. Used and tested by MotoGP riders, it features a wireless airbag system available in both vest and long-sleeved versions. This smart jacket is designed to be worn comfortably under any jacket or suit, while offering top-notch protection. It boasts a battery life of 26 hours and is reinforced with CE Level 1 and Level 2 armor, setting a new benchmark for rider safety. In case of a crash, the airbag inflates around the torso in just 30 milliseconds, quicker than the blink of an eye. It activates effortlessly with a magnetic chest button and is completely waterproof, ensuring durability in all weather conditions. Whether you're a daily commuter or an adventure seeker, the Dainese Smart Jacket is designed to keep you safe and comfortable. It's a perfect blend of technology, safety, and style. If you're serious about rider safety, this jacket is a must-have. Check it out using the link below. Number 4. Sena 10C EVO. The Sena 10C EVO is a 4K camera and Bluetooth headset in one. Record your rides, chat with friends, and enjoy crystal-clear audio. It's durable, easy to use, and perfect for capturing those epic road trips. The 4K camera ensures your footage is sharp and detailed, while the Bluetooth headset lets you communicate with fellow riders or take calls on the go. The camera is mounted on your helmet, so you can capture every twist and turn of your ride. The Bluetooth headset supports multi-device pairing, so you can connect your phone, GPS, and other devices simultaneously. Whether you're documenting your adventures or staying connected, this gadget has you covered. Don't miss out. Link below. Number 5. GoPro Hero 12. Epic rides deserve epic footage. The GoPro Hero 12 shoots in 5.3K with hypersmooth stabilization and waterproof durability. Whether you're on the track or the trail, this camera delivers. The hypersmooth stabilization ensures your footage is buttery smooth, even on the bumpiest roads. And with waterproof durability, you can take it anywhere, rain or shine. The camera also features voice control, so you can start and stop recording without lifting a finger. The battery life is impressive, and the touchscreen interface is intuitive and easy to use. Ready to capture the action? Check it out. Number 6. BMW's Connected Ride. Smart Glasses. BMW's Connected Ride smart glasses put navigation, speed, and gear info right in your line of sight. No more distractions, just pure focus on the ride. These glasses are lightweight, stylish, and designed for long rides. They connect seamlessly with your bike's system, so you always have the info you need without looking down. The display is crisp and clear, even in bright sunlight, and the glasses are comfortable to wear for hours. Whether you're navigating through city streets or exploring remote trails, these glasses keep you informed and in control. Stay informed, stay safe, and ride smarter. Link in the description. Number 7. Helite Free Air Vented Jacket. The Helite Free Air Vented Jacket combines safety and comfort like no other. It's equipped with an airbag system that deploys in milliseconds during a crash. Plus, it's ventilated for those hot summer rides. The airbag system is designed to protect your neck, back, and chest in case of an accident, while the ventilation keeps you cool on long rides. The jacket is made from high-quality materials that are both durable and breathable. It's also easy to adjust, so you can get the perfect fit. Whether you're commuting to work or hitting the open road, this jacket has you covered. Ride safe, ride smart. Grab yours now. Number 8. Cosmo Moto. Flat tire? No problem. The Cosmo Moto is a portable air compressor that fits in your bag. Fast, reliable, and a lifesaver on long rides. It's compact, easy to use, and can inflate your tire in minutes. Whether you're on a remote trail or stuck on the side of the road, this gadget will get you back on the move. The compressor is powered by a rechargeable battery, so you don't need to worry about finding an outlet. It also comes with a built-in pressure gauge, so you can inflate your tires to the perfect level. Don't hit the road without it. Link below. Number 9. Granit Detecto SmartX 8078. The Granit Detecto SmartX 8078 is a Bluetooth-enabled helmet lock that's anti-theft and pairs with your phone for added security. It's sturdy, reliable, and designed to keep your gear safe wherever you park. The Bluetooth feature sends alerts to your phone if someone tries to tamper with your lock. The lock is made from hardened steel, so it's nearly impossible to break. It's also weatherproof, so you don't have to worry about rust or corrosion. Whether you're parking in the city or at a remote trailhead, this lock has you covered. Keep your gear safe, no matter where you park. Check it out. Number 10. GPS Kit Trailtech. The GPS Kit Trailtech is built for adventure. Rugged, waterproof, and packed with features, it's your ultimate off-road companion. It comes preloaded with topographic maps, so you're always prepared for the trail. The rugged design ensures it can handle the toughest conditions, while the waterproof feature means you don't have to worry about rain or mud. The GPS also supports waypoints and route planning, so you can explore with confidence. Whether you're navigating through dense forests or open deserts, this gadget has you covered. Never lose your way again. Check it out. Number 11. Oxford Motorcycle Pro Toolkit. Every rider needs a toolkit. The Oxford Motorcycle Pro Toolkit is compact, durable, and packed with essentials. From quick fixes to major repairs, it's got you covered. The toolkit includes everything from wrenches to screwdrivers, all neatly organized in a compact case. The tools are made from high-quality materials, so they're built to last. Whether you're at home or on the road, this toolkit is a must-have. Don't leave home without it. Number 12. Tender QDC USB Motorcycle Charger. The Tender QDC USB motorcycle charger keeps your devices powered up, rain or shine. It's waterproof, easy to install, and compatible with most bikes. Whether you're navigating with your phone or listening to music, this charger ensures you stay connected. The charger features dual USB ports, so you can charge multiple devices at once. It also has a built-in voltage meter, so you can monitor your bike's battery level. Stay connected, no matter how far you ride. Link in the description. Number 13. The Trove Wallet. The Trove Wallet is slim, RFID protected, and perfect for carrying the essentials. It's designed to fit in your pocket without adding bulk, while the RFID protection keeps your cards safe from skimming. The wallet is made from premium materials, so it's both stylish and durable. Whether you're commuting to work or hitting the open road, this wallet has you covered. Ditch the bulky wallet and ride light. Stylish, functional, and built for the road. Check it out. Number 14. SW Motech. SW Motech's luggage solutions are rugged, weatherproof, and built for adventure. Whether you're commuting or touring, they've got you covered. The bags are designed to withstand the toughest conditions, while the weatherproof feature ensures your gear stays dry. The luggage system is modular, so you can customize it to fit your needs. Whether you're carrying tools, clothes, or camping gear, these bags have you covered. Upgrade your storage and take your ride to the next level. Check them out. Number 15. ConStands Paddock Stand. The ConStands Paddock Stand is lightweight, sturdy, and perfect for bike maintenance. It's designed to make maintenance easier, whether you're cleaning your bike or working on the chain. The stand is made from high-quality aluminum, so it's both strong and lightweight. It also features adjustable arms, so it can accommodate a wide range of bikes. Keep your ride in top shape with this essential tool. Link below. That's it. 15 gadgets to transform your ride. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment and let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more gear reviews.